Today it was a long night of research and CEU showed what researches was done, what is interesting, can be researched more about new approaches. I definitely enjoyed our cognitive lab and visual lab because it was one of the most popular places, yes.
I particularly enjoyed the more interactive parts. It was nice to see the rooms and the equipment that you use here, but it was even better to actually try it out.
I personally found it very fascinating that you could imagine how it is people coming as participants and being part of the research project. So I feel that I got a very interactive experience.
We are happy to have a really wide range of audience. I must say that there are generation-wise and social group-wise. It's a really diverse mixture of people, generally from Vienna. And we also had a kind of workshop on participation and voting, and who is voting in Vienna and who is not voting in Vienna. And especially at this workshop, there was a very large participation of the people from the test district.
I learned about the CEU online. I've been looking around for interesting research projects, and with the Lange nach der Forschung, it was an amazing opportunity to visit the campus finally.